Hello friend, good morning. Today's session we'll discuss about the how many varieties or how many kinds of this multiple choice question can be framed, can be edited in the Google form. So that gives the patience to the teacher to design its question paper in the very attractive way or in the multiple ways. So it's a nature of the teachers, they ask the single question in the different way. So how to attempt the single question in the different multiple ways, that how to represent it, that I'm going to show you here. Okay, so let us see now. For that I already that in the part 2 and 1 I told you how to design the paper, but now in the ways what are the varieties available in the Google Forms, that varieties we'll see. I already have been designed that forms, so I will just take you to that my form and then I will explain. So you have to, so I am here, I kept my form in the drive. So from there I will select, so it is my form trial. So this is my form, and now see here I already frames. From there types of MCQ options is given. So first, so we have options of drop down box. Okay, I will show you here how does the drop down box comes. So when we are framing the question paper at that times, so here at this you have to write the question at this place. Okay, the question writing is here. And so previously as you was using the multiple choice, so we have to click here. So after clicking here, so many options are given in this format, that all the option I will tell you: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, then drop down, file upload, linear scale, see multiple choice grade, tick box grade, date and time. So in the today's forms, so what I will do, I will show you all these options, how to apply these all the options. Okay, so let us see now here. Okay, see friends, so first option is that is drop down box. So whenever you are asking the question, so you want to hide the option givens, and once the children drop down, so then the option will be shown. So this can be designed. So where you have to go, just I am showing you here. So on this box, so one option will come as previously shown, drop down, then such kind of option will be shown. Okay, now move to the next one question. So it is compulsory question. Next is upload file or photos. Okay, so this from where it will come, so upload files. So there the option is given upload files. If you click on that, some option will be shown here. So I have not made it compulsory, because sometime what happens, if there is a problem in uploading the file, then the compulsory if we make, so the student may not be able to proceed further. Okay, so in the uploading file some conditions are given: allow only specific file type. So you don't tick here, because any kind of file the student can uploads if it is required. Maximum number of files, see here it is, I have given one. You can put two of smaller size. Maximum size of files 10 MB hardly, but it support up to the 1 GB. So if you keep a less size, then it is better. So this is the option for just putting the option for to upload the files. Okay, then come to the next one. Okay, here it is. So this is, so regarding this question, it is checkbox question. It is a kind of checkbox. Checkbox means the option is given there and you have to tick it, which one is a correct. Tick marks your nature. I made the question according to explain the types of the question, types how you can mention. So you are angry, you are kind, you are cool, like that. So which one is suitable, that you have to checkbox means you have to tick it down. Then it comes the next type. So this next type is the linear scale. Linear scale means, see, suppose the person is the same option I am giving in the different way: cool, angry, kind. Okay, so option is given here. so that can be ticked. It will be given all the option, we have to tick it. So this is also the one way. Then it is a multiple grid. Okay, that all this you have to take from the option given, see here. So multiple grid, see here, multiple grid questions. So when you tick you just put here, so that all the option will be given. So one by one I am explaining means all that varieties. So multiple grid, the meaning of multiple grid, you see, as like just now I have given you the and this linear. So in the same ways, if you want to know the data for 2 3 members, then in the rows you will write that number of member or number of student, and like the nature, cool, something something in the columns, like cool, angry, kind. Okay, so it is, so these options, these options, linear option is made to accept the queries of the single person linear scale. And here and the down one, it is multiple grades, so it is made to accept the response from the many student or many of them at a times. Okay, so here whenever you tick, so it will only the tick box, right, that round marks will come. Same questions, so you can give in the different way, same thing, there is no change, but tick marks. So here tick marks will be there, spelling I will correct it. So tick marks, TIC, tick marks, tick marks. Okay, so you can put the tick marks here in the answer line, 0 1 2 3 everything, just only you have to tick it down. Okay, then we'll come to entering a date. Sometime what happens, you are interested to put or mention the date in your paper, then you can enter the date from here. Okay, and this is time also you can enter. Now let us see, all the options are there, we have designed and just taken from the available options. Let us see how does it look like. Okay, preview I am showing you. So by that means these are the ways, these are the different ways we can design the multiple choice questions. So this is the first option, see here, option is hidden. So drop down box you have to click here and you will get, I am clicking here in the first. So method drop down box, I click here, see here, I click, then you are cool, you are angry, you are kind. So which one is correct, that you have to choose. If you are not choosing, the option will come here like this is a required question. Why? Because see the red marks is given here, required question, I select any one. Okay, so then the next is upload the file or photos, you can upload the file. So here, so once you just click here on the add file, then the point will appear here. Here actually it may causes any problem, so I removed from the compulsory question, it is not compulsory. So you can see by your own. Okay, so it will be redirect to your drive. From there you have to upload the file. Okay, the next is a tick mark your nature. So this is the same, it is the same kind of question like a multiple choice question, but there you cannot tick down. So here you can tick, suppose I tick here. Okay, and then down to that, so it is for the linear scale. As I told previously, linear scale means see person, the person is cool, angry, kind, so any one option you can select here. And the multiple grid means that 3 person you consider, row 1, row 2, row 3, and the nature of 3 person is cool, angry, kind. So who is, suppose the first person is now second option for angry and third for kind, and it is first, suppose, so it may be the cool. So any options you can select for that. Same, the same questions, the way is given different, so you can select a checks box, right box. Okay, it will come like that. And then entering the date, see once I click here, then one calendar will be open, so you can enter the date. See here calendar is given the 27 today's date, so I will click here, but we have to press on the set. Once we set, see here the date is set, so that date is 27 6 and 2020. Then click on the time. So once you click on the time, so you have to enter the time. Suppose for example now 12:27, so I write here 12, and this is 30, or whatever the time you set. And after that you have to submit. Means see, this is the papers look like, means this is the appearance of the papers for the students when the student is appearing for the exam. So these all the different kind of options, so you are not just requested to apply when whichever the option is suitable for you. If sometime there is a need of this option tick marks, then you can select it. If you want a grid like, miss the dot like, you can select this. If suppose you want to mention like this question, so this linear type, that also you can select. So if you want this tick mark like questions, so that option is also available. If you want to upload the file, that is also available. So drop down if you want, that is also available. So these are the available options in the Google Forms. So by using all that options, you can design your paper in the best way, in the attractive way. It is helpful for everybody. So once again I will show you that I will not submit this because it will be submitted. So I will not submit, but I will show you that from where you select all the option and how you can design. Once again, see, so cancel, leave the page, because so I want to use it afterwards. Okay, so here I am showing you these options. Okay, from here, so you click on the checkbox, clicked. So that one para is opened here. See here that all the options are available here: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkbox, drop down, file upload, linear scale, multiple choice, grid, tick box, date and time. So what I tried, I have tried in these papers, in this paper, so to design or consider all kinds of varieties, so that while designing the papers there should not be a lack of some things, that your way of designing was, your plan was that, but it is not available in the form. All thing is available, you can use it from here and make your file very very best. So friends, this video will be considered as a part 2 of my Google form, and part 2 already I have released yesterday. So I am giving you the name as a part 2.1, as it is a part of editing the forms or making the form attractive by the different ways. So friends, very much thankful for listening. So keep on watching this, and in the part 3 and 4, so I will bring the different and the new ways in the best methods. Thank you.